Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will discuss chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. If you have understood every question and if you are thorough with every question that is discussed in this video, then you can answer any of the question asked in the exam. We'll start. First question is, for what value of k does the pair of linear equations given below have a unique solution? These are the pair of linear equations given. We will write this in the general form. It is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. So we will write these two equations. It is minus x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. And the second equation is 3kx plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. In the first equation, what is the coefficient of x? It is minus 1. And what is the coefficient of x in the second equation? 3k. Okay, a1 by a2, this is a1 and this is a2, a1 by a2, and we'll take b1 by b2, it is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is constant terms, it is minus 6 by minus 7. Okay, and what is the condition for unique solution? What is the condition for unique solution? A1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, these three ratios are not equal. So here we will take these two terms. It is minus 1 by 3k not equal to 1 by 2. We'll cross multiply. We'll get minus 2 not equal to 3k. So here k not equal to 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Okay. So this is the value of k for the pair of linear equations to have a unique solution. Next one. So find whether the pair of linear equations is consistent or inconsistent. Okay, we will represent this in the standard form. It is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we will take a1 by a2. It is what? 1 by 3. Coefficient of x in first equation divided by coefficient of x in the second equation. It is 1 by 3. And we'll take b1 by b2. It is 2 by 6. And we'll take constant terms. It is minus 4 by minus 12. So here if you simplify, we'll get 1 by 3. So all these three ratios are same. If all the three ratios are same, then the pair of linear equations are coinciding. Then the pair of linear equations are coinciding and has infinite solutions. So they are consistent. Okay. These pair of linear equations are consistent. Find the value of k for which the pair of linear equations will have infinite solutions. Okay. If they have infinite solutions, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All the three ratios will be same. Here we will take the ratio A1 is 2 and A2 is 4. This is equal to B1 is minus 3 and B2 is minus k. This is equal to constant terms. It is 7 by 14. Okay. Here we will get the ratio 1 is to 2, 1 by 2. So here we will equate 1 by 2 is equal to, here minus and minus will be cancelled. 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by k is equal to 6. We got the value k is equal to 6 for the pair of linear equations to have infinite solutions. Next one. Find the value of a so that the point lies on the line represented by this. Okay, so this point 3 comma a lies on this line. So what is 3 here? It is x coordinate and a is y coordinate. So we will just simply substitute 3 in place of x and a in place of y. So here 2 into 3 minus 3 into a is equal to 5. 6 minus 3a is equal to 5. 1 is equal to 3a. Here we got a is equal to 1 by 3. Next one. Given a linear equation, form another linear equation in these variables such that the geometric representation of the pair so formed is, it should have intersecting lines, coinciding lines and parallel lines. Okay. So first we will represent this equation in general form. It is 3x minus 5y minus 11 is equal to 0. For the first one to be intersecting lines, what is the condition? All the three ratios should be not same. should be different. Okay, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So here what is a1? 3 by a2, and this should not be equal to minus 5 by b2 not equal to minus 11 by c2. So here we can take any values, but the ratios should not be same. So here I am taking a2 value as 6 and b2 value as 7 and c2 value as 20. Okay, so the ratios will not be equal. So what is the line here? It is 6x plus 7y plus 20 is equal to 0. And if we take the second one, coinciding lines, if the lines are coinciding, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All the three ratios should be same. So here what is a1? It is 3 by a2 is equal to minus 5 by b2 is equal to minus 11 by c2. All the three ratios should be same. So here I'll take a2, b2, c2 in such a way that the ratio will be 1 by 2. I can take anything. So here I'll take a2 is equal to 6 and b2 is equal to minus 10 and c2 is equal to minus 2. So that the ratio I'll get is 1 by 2. So here what is the equation? It is 6x minus 10y minus 22 is equal to 0. And if we talk about parallel lines, what is the condition? It is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay. So here what is a1? It is 3 by a2 is equal to minus 5 by b2 not equal to minus 11 by c2. Here we'll get a2 is equal to, we will take a2 and b2 in such a way that the ratio is same. So we will take a2 is equal to 9 and b2 is equal to minus 15. So that I'll get the ratio 1 by 3. Okay. And I will take C2 ratio anything except 33, minus 33. I will not take minus 33 because the ratio will be 1 by 3. So C2 value I will take as minus 30. Okay. So what is the equation here? 9x minus 15y minus 30 is equal to 0. Okay. Next one. We have to solve the given equations by using elimination method. Okay, so if you see the coefficient of x, it is 5 and 3, and for the coefficient of y, it is minus 2 and 4. So here I will eliminate y variable. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. In the first equation, I will multiply with 2. What will I get? I will get minus 4 as coefficient of y and plus 4 is the coefficient of y in the second equation. So I will add these two. If I add these two, y variable will be eliminated. Okay. So I will add these two. First equation I will multiply with 2 and then I will add with second equation. So first equation if I multiply with 2, what will I get? 5x minus 2y is equal to 11 into 2. This is 10x minus 4y is equal to 22. And then I will add with 3x plus 4y is equal to 4. Okay. 10 plus 3 it is 13x. See, minus 4y plus 4y will be cancelled is equal to 22 plus 4 it is 26. I'll get here x is equal to 26 by 13 it is 2. I'll substitute x value in second equation. Okay, it is 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 4. 6 plus 4y is equal to 4. So here 4y is equal to 6. 4 minus 6 it is minus 2. Y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 4 it is minus 1 by 2. So here what are the x and y values? It is 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next one. Solve for x and y. Here two equations are given. We have to solve for x and y. Either we can use elimination method or substitution method. Here I will use elimination method. See here the coefficient of x is same, it is 3, and the coefficient of y is 5 in first equation and it is minus 5 in second equation. If I subtract first equation and second equation, this is first and this is second equation. If I subtract, x variable will be eliminated. Okay, and if I add, y variable will be eliminated. If I add, y variable will be eliminated because the coefficients of y variables are plus 5 and minus 5. Okay, if I add these two, y will be eliminated. So I can use anything, I can do anything. Okay, so I will directly subtract first and second equation. It is 3x plus 5y is equal to 12 and 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 18. Okay, I am subtracting these two. 3x and minus 3x will be cancelled. 5y plus 5y, minus of minus 5y, it is plus 5y. It is 10y is equal to 12 plus 18, it is 30. So here I will get y is equal to 30 by 10, it is 3. I am substituting y value in first equation. I get 3x minus 5 into 3 plus 18 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 15 plus 18 is equal to 0. 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. I'll get 3x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 1. So the values of x and y are minus 1 and 3. Okay. Next one. Solve the following pair of linear equations using substitution method. Two equations are given, we have to use substitution method. So in the first equation, I will find out x value. Okay, x is equal to 2 plus y and I'll substitute x value in second equation. I'll substitute x value in second equation and get 3 into 2 plus y plus 2y is equal to 16. So 6 plus 3y plus 2y is equal to 16. So 5y is equal to 16 minus 6, it is 10. Y is equal to 10 by 5, it is 2. So again I'll substitute y value in first equation. I'll get x minus 2 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 plus 2, it is 4. So here x and y values are 4, 2. Next one. Determine graphically the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. Okay. Here these three equations are given. We have to represent on a graph. We have to find the vertices of the triangles formed by these lines. Okay. For the first line, first equation, y is equal to x. We will assume values of x and we will find out y values. Okay. Here x is equal to y. So if x is 0, y is 0. If x is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. Okay, y is 2. And in the second equation, we will assume x values and we will find out y values. Okay, if x is equal to 0, okay, so 3y is equal to 0, so we'll get y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 3, what is y value? 3y is equal to 3, so here y is equal to 3 by 3, it is 1. Okay, if we take x value as 6, okay, 3y is equal to 6, so here y is equal to 6 by 3, it is 2. And for the third equation, we will take x values and we will find out y values. If x value is 3, what is y value here? Here 3 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus 3, it is 5. If x is equal to 4, so 4 plus y is equal to 8, y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 6, what is y value? It is 6 plus y is equal to 8. So y value is equal to 2. Okay. We will represent the first line on a graph. If x is 0, y is 0. If x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 2. Okay. This is the line. Okay. We will represent the second line. If x is 0, y is 0. If x is 3, y is 1. If x is 6, y is 2. This point. Okay. Now we will join them all. It is this one. Okay. Now we will represent the third line. If x is 3, y is 5. X is 3 and y is 5. This one. If x is 4, y is 4. And if x is 6, y is 2. This point. Okay. We will join them. So now what are the vertices of the triangle? See, this is the triangle. Okay. This is the triangle. What are the vertices? This is a vertex and this is another and this is the third vertex. So what are they? This point is 0, 0. This is the origin. It is 0, 0. And what is this point? It is 6, 2. And what is this point? It is 4, 4. So what are the vertices? They are 0, 0 and 6, 2 and 4, 4. Okay. Next one. Find the two numbers whose sum is 75 and difference is 15. So we will assume the two numbers as A and B. Their sum, that means A plus B is equal to 75 and the difference is 15. A minus B is equal to 15. Here we have two equations. We can use any method, substitution method or elimination method. Here I will use elimination method. I will subtract these two equations. So here A can be eliminated if I subtract these two. If I add these two, B can be eliminated. I am subtracting. It is A plus B is equal to 75 minus of A minus B. A minus B is equal to 15. Okay. Here A and minus A will be cancelled. B minus of minus B is plus B. B plus B, it is 2B is equal to 75 minus 15. It is 60. It is 60. So B is equal to what? 60 by 2. It is 30. I am substituting B value in first equation and get A plus 30 is equal to 75. A is equal to 75 minus 30. It is 45. So here I got two values A and B as 30. Sorry, it is 45 and 30. Okay, it is 45 and 30. Next one. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction. Okay, we will assume the fraction as A and B. The sum of these two, numerator and denominator. Okay, this is 4 more than twice the numerator. 2 times the numerator. Numerator is A. 2A. 4 plus 2A. So this is the one equation. We will solve it. So here I'll get minus A plus B minus 4 is equal to 0. I can also write as A minus B plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Okay. If 3 is added to each of the numerator and denominator. Okay. To the numerator, if 3 is added and to the denominator 3 is added, then the ratio becomes 2 by 3. We'll cross multiply. 3A plus 9 is equal to 2B plus 6. Here 3A minus 2B plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. I have here two equations. If you see the coefficient in the first equation, it is 1 and in the second equation, it is 3. So in the first equation, I will multiply with 3. Okay, and I will subtract with second equation. Okay. See here A minus B plus 4 is equal to 0 into 3. I will get 3A minus 3B plus 12 is equal to 0. I will subtract with second equation. It is 3A minus 2B plus 3 is equal to 0. 3A and minus 3A will be cancelled. Minus 3B plus 2B. It is minus B plus 12 minus 3. It is plus 9 is equal to 0. Here I'll get B is equal to 9 and I'll substitute B value. Substitute B in first equation. I'll get A minus 9 plus 4 is equal to 0. A minus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to 5. So what is the fraction here? A by B is equal to 5 by 9. This is the fraction. Okay. Next one. Asha has to spend 1300 when she purchases 10 storybooks and 20 puzzles. So we will assume the cost of one storybook, it is S. Cost of one storybook is S and cost of one puzzle is P. She purchases 10 storybooks. So 10 into cost of one storybook, it is 10S plus 20 puzzles, 20P is equal to 1300. Okay. When she spent 1300, she got 10 storybooks and 20 puzzles. This is the first equation. And if she purchases 15 storybooks, 15S and 15 puzzles, Okay, then the amount spent is 1350. In the first equation we can simplify as, if we take 10 common, 10 into s plus 2p is equal to 1300. Okay, so we can write this as s plus 2p is equal to 130. This is first equation. And in this equation, if we take 5 common, 5 into 3s plus 3p, okay, is equal to 1350. If we take 5 to the right side, it will be divided by 5. It is 5 into 2, 10. Okay, it is 270. Okay, and again here you can take 3 common. Okay, 3 into s plus p is equal to 3 into 90. Here 3 and 3 will be cancelled. S plus p is equal to 90. This is the second equation. So here the coefficient of s is same in two equations. We will just subtract these two equations. We'll get s plus 2p is equal to 130 minus of s plus p is equal to 90. S and minuses will be cancelled. 2p minus p, it is p, is equal to 13 minus 9 is what? 4, 40. So here we got p value as 40. And we'll substitute p value in second equation. What we'll get? S plus 40 is equal to 90. S is equal to 90 minus 40, it is 50. Therefore, cost of one storybook, it is 50, and cost of one puzzle, it is 40. Okay. Next one, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. So, we will assume the digits of a two-digit number as A and B. Okay. So, what is the two-digit number? It is 10A plus B. This is a two-digit number. And what is told? The sum of the digits. So, here a plus b is equal to 9. Sum of the digits is 9. And if 9 times this number, 9 times of this number, so 9 into 10a plus b is equal to twice, 2 times is equal to twice. That means 2 times. 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. If we reverse the order of the digits, it will be b and a. So, the number will be 10b plus a. Okay, this is the number if the digits are reversed. Okay, so this 2 times into 10b plus a will simplify. 90a plus 9b is equal to 20b plus 2a. So here we'll get 90 minus 2, it is 88a is equal to 11b. Here we'll get 88a by 11 is equal to b. So here it is 8. b is equal to 8a. Okay. So now this is the second equation. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. See here we can directly substitute. We can substitute b value in first equation. Okay. If we substitute, what we will get? It is a plus b value is 8a is equal to 9. So here 9a is equal to 9. A is equal to 1. So what are the digits? So what are a and b? It is 1 and 8. So the number is 18. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.